Micro with Inkish, and we are at Online Print Summit with Benjamin Bosch from Komori. And Benjamin, we've known each other a very long time, and through a lot of different technology changes in the industry, Komori has some really interesting technology that they're in the market with and continuing to insert into the market. Can you tell us a bit?
Yeah, and when we are talking about Komori, we have to not to think about only about printing. That means they're coming from offset printing more than 100 years from now. But more than 5-6 years ago, they acquired MBO and H&H. So they are getting now to the market a really wide application range you can produce with our solution. On one hand, printing, and on the other side, the finishing. And we are also developing the parts of it for the logistics side to make it much easier for our customers to streamline their total production.
So offset printing, traditionally we think about it as having multiple mechanical parts to it, but you're adding a lot of automation into the environment.
Yes.
Can you talk a little bit about how that changes life for your customers?
It makes them more visible for our customers, and there we have the KP Connect solution, which is a really great tool to see how your process at the machine is performing. You can utilize it much more, integrating into your existing workflow system. So this gives us, and also especially for our customer, more visibility in their total streamlined production workflow.
And as a printer, can I get data out of that environment and put it into my dashboards and use it to help run my business better?
This is a clear topic what we are facing into, because we are not seeing so far in the market that we have an online connection to our printers, to our machines, all our finishing devices which are integrated, so that you have already this view. And because of that, we are here at the Online Print Summit to showcasing this. We are showing here how we are integrating and make use of it by today.
The last thing I want to ask you about is your UV solution, because it's interesting, it's fast, and it has some interesting applications.
Yeah, you're right. This is one of our new features, what we are going to the market right now. So we get the newest and latest installation of a JSTRON, a B2 UV inkjet printing press by April this year. And then we can showcase it for each customer who's interested in to print on different substrates. There is no limitation because we are using UV inkjet. We are having the highest speed for B2 UV inkjet printing. And we have already some really happy customers using it today.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for sharing.
Yeah.
And have a great summit.
Thanks for you too. Nice to meet you again.